Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a Facebook page to Meta Business Suite. I'll be walking through this on desktop. Open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. You'll see a sign-in prompt, enter the email or phone number and password for the Facebook profile that has admin access to the page you want to add. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to complete that step now. Just enter the code from your phone or Authenticator app. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Meta Business Suite dashboard. Look at the left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom left corner where you'll see Settings with a gear icon. Click on that. The Settings menu will open and you'll see several configuration options. Click on Business Assets. This is where all your connected Facebook pages and Instagram accounts live. If the page you want to add isn't showing up here, that means it's not part of your Meta Business Suite yet. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Add button. Some versions call this Add Assets, but it's the same button. A pop-up window will appear with a few options. Select Facebook page from that list. You'll see a new dialog box open asking you to enter details about the page. Type in either the Facebook page name or the full URL. As you start typing, you'll see the page name appear in a drop-down menu below. Select your page from that drop-down. Once you've selected it, click Next at the bottom of the dialog. You'll now see a review screen showing the request and the terms of agreement. Read through these, then check the box to agree to the terms. Once you check that box, the Add Page button at the bottom will become active. Click it. A confirmation window will pop up with a green check mark showing the page was added successfully. Click Done to close that window. Your Facebook page will now appear in your Business Assets section. Once you add a page to your business portfolio, your business owns that page. So if you manage multiple businesses, double-check you added it to the right one. People who already had access to the page before you added it can still manage it. Their permissions carry over. If you ever need to remove the page from your portfolio, you can do that at any time from the same Business Assets section. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.